Hello everybody, thank you for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin Up. I have a really cute project to share with you today. And this holds a little Ferrero Rocher. Super cute, you guys. So I'm going to show you how we do today's project. I have my Stampin' trimmer and the cardstock I'm using for today's project is in Melon Mumbo, and we're going to do some scoring on our papers. I will have a detailed description about today's project over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com, or you can click in the link below and that will take you to the blog post. So if you missed any of the measurements, they will be over there. So for this piece is cut at 5.5 by 3 inches, and I have another piece that's cut at 1 1/8 by 2 inches. And we're going to do a little bit of scoring. So on my 5.5 inch by 3, I'm going to score this one first. And so we're going to score this at 2.5. We're going to score this at 3 inches. We're going to score it at 5 1/8. And we're going to score this at 5 5/8. Okay. So for the 5.5 by 3 inch piece, we are going to score this at 1/2 inch. We're going to score it at 2.5 inch. We're going to score this at 3. And we're going to score it at 5. We are then going to rotate it, so the 3 inches along the top, and we're going to score this at 1/2 inch. And we're going to score this at 2.5 inches. Now I used my trimmer. You can use your Simply Scored scoring tool as well. I have my paper snips. We're going to do some cutting. We're going to cut away all these little squares. We don't need those. So I'm just going to cut it away. Okay, so once we cut away all those squares, I'm now going to run this through my Big Shot with the layering circles, because I wanted to put in a circle over here so that the Ferrero Rocher can fit nicely. Okay, on this piece here, this is going to be the sleeve, and I ran this through the Big Shot and die cut a heart. I also have my scallop tag topper, and I'm gonna put my cardstock in there, and I'm gonna punch the edges like so. So I'm going to go ahead and die cut my pieces. So I have some tear and tape, and right now I'm going to stick tear and tape on this edge. I'm now going to shut my box. Just like so. So I have my little box shut. And that's going to go inside my little wrap. Okay, so I'm going to add some more tear and tape along this bottom piece. And then this is just going to sit in here like so. Just want to make sure you're straight. We have our little Ferrero Rocher. I have a strip of designer series paper, and this is the Painted with Love, cut at a 1/2 inch, and I just cut the 1/2 inch from the 12-inch sheet. And I am now going to, on this one here, I did a little window sheet in this one, but I didn't do it in this one. And so what you're going to do is, so that's the front of your box. So you're going to bring your tear and tape on the side. And I just went around the entire box. Actually, I'm going to cut it with my scissors. And then I peeled this off. I took my designer series paper and I started on the side and I just wrapped the designer series paper, pinching it as I got to the corners. And that's that. And then I cut away the excess. I added a little ribbon enclosure at the top, which is super cute, and you can do that. Add a little ribbon, and I just fed it through. So I hope you enjoyed today's project. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.